Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is an 18 by 24 inch canvas that was 10,217 from November 16th, 2025, and now I'm going to mess with it because it's been in my studio long enough. I'm going to just add colors that I like. This is yellow-orange that I mixed myself. I'm hoping it'll help me figure out where I want to start. Now, where the heck did that come from? Oh well, doesn't matter. Little schmutz never killed anybody. So there's some saffron, some tickled pink, and a little bit of Rhapsody Rose. And I want to get the rest of that yellow off of there, although it probably does not matter. Let's grab a paper towel. I think I want a little more of that dancing fuchsia. Right there. Maybe a little more still. There, I like that. I do have favorite colors. I think all of that's going to go right there. Now I'm thinking Whispering Wisteria, but I might mix it with some red violet. Maybe some frozen too. Or I've got Rhapsody Rose, which I really appreciated recently. Being called to one more color. There we go, ginger flower. I actually really want that frozen soon. My plan does include using texture tools. And I might like to use some cell activator, but I'm not sure when that's going to come into play yet. I am going to use some frozen. I should probably wipe off my spatula, but I'm more inclined to use it. Now I'll wipe it off and dry it. That kind of makes me want some Fandango. So maybe I'll do that. I'm sure it needs a shake. I think I want, if I can find my sponge real fast. I like the black and white without the blue there. So I'll just carve a little away. I'm still planning on Snapdragon too. I want darker green than that. And a little more frozen, which might get mixed with some other blue. I've got Midnight Shadow. maybe that's the perfect place for the Snapdragon. We shall see in a moment. I've got green. I have a gentle touch. Get better coverage. Never to put any gold in, but I'm thinking it might be silver might be better if I'm going to do that at all. I got to keep deciding to wipe off my spatula though. I don't mind the shadowy color. I am going to pull in some Modern Masters Venetian Blue because I'm actually really enjoying this. I might miss the white, the negative spaces afterwards. I want something else over there. Maybe more Snapdragon. Kind of think I might want to scrape through some paint if I get it in time. Not so sure about that. That's better. More frozen. I want that to be darker. Maybe the purple should be darker too. What have I got? I've got Amethyst, which is Modern Masters, and some Eggplant. And did I leave my sponge out? Makes me feel like maybe I should have some white in there. But I'm very inclined to just use up the paint that's on my spatula. Just drag marks is fine. I think there's going to be some orange. Orange Crush. Where else do I want that? Alright, I'm going to try one of my toothy tools. And I still want some silver. More orange though. I still want to put more white in, but I don't know why. kind of want to put some black in. I was going to actually pull that out, but I think I'm going to leave the dots. Yeah, I'm definitely leaving the dots. I don't know how much further I want to go. I'm not really completely 100% sure I'm done. More dancing fuchsia. Darken that up. Maybe I'll throw a little tickled pink in just because. And I have alizarin rose, Vivid Intense. When it's open. I've still got white. Not quite there yet, but I'm getting so close. That's that ginger flower again. I never did use any turquoise, and I think I still want to. I really did think I was going to want to use some cell activator, but I really don't care right now. This is Vibrant Aqua, what's left of it. I'm thinking, if I put a little black down, oh, got extra paint. I've only got that one yellow spot. I could do yellow again. I'll wait on the black for a minute. I like finding places that need a little paint, and I have a little paint to add. I think I'm going to add a little bit of orange to that yellow, and maybe more than one place. I'm not sure that was really helpful. I don't like it. That's okay, we'll scrape it away. Use it as texture. No, just really don't like it. What else can I put in there? I think Dancing Fuchsia is going to save my day. And then I'm almost done. Although I do have it in my head to put some black down and make some check marks, sort of like the ones that are already there. So there's the black. Try it. I'll wipe off the pink first. Not that it wouldn't be interesting, it might be. Could have done that with white as well. It's not too late. I could still do that. Time to throw that spatula in the bucket. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.